जीतते बगैर सोचते ना।
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी,
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी,
नहीं चलेगी,
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी,
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी,
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी,
अरे नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी,
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी।
चाय वाला चोर है,
गली गली में शोर है, वो इंकलाब
जिंदाबाद,
जिंदाबाद
इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी,
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी, तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी।
इंकलाब
जिंदाबाद,
इंकलाब
जिंदाबाद,
जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद,
जिंदाबाद।
इस्तीफा दो, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान, इस्तीफा दो, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान, इस्तीफा दो, आवाज दो,
हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, एक हैं।
बोलो भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, वंदे भारत, जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद।
आणि आज सगळे कॉक्रोचेस पावले मला
We the cockroach, we the people.
We the cockroach, we the people.
We the cockroach, we the workers.
So today we have gathered here to show solidarity. Solidarity with our brothers and sisters who are crying right now in Delhi. India is crying right now. And what is our demand? India is asking to fix. India is asking to fix the education system. घराचे उपकार केन्ना पायपीन लीक जाता तुमकां ते पयलीं क्लीन करपाचें आसता ते पयलीं फिक्स करपाचें आसता हांगा लीक जाता आनी when this system is leaking it is bleeding blood of the innocent students because and when the students you are literally killing the students by crushing their dream. You are like destroying their dreams. All the sacrifices done by the students to answer an exam. And why? Why does it matter to me? Somebody in Rajasthan, somebody in Madhya Pradesh, somebody in Delhi committed suicide. Their family should matter. Why does it matter to me? Because we are part of the system. Equally as much as others are. And when we ask for accountability, we mean it. So Dharmendra Pradhan istifa do. Istifa do. Istifa do. Dharmendra Pradhan istifa do. Istifa do. Istifa do. Dharmendra Pradhan istifa do. Istifa do. Istifa do. And this is the voice of India. And this is the voice of Goa. Whatever happened in Delhi today, in the morning, the idea was, chalo sansadaच्या वांगडा उठाय गोंयकारांनो आणि आम्ही त्यांच्या वांगडा चलपाक Potter. Amchi Gaza Ronda. We are crying. Our hearts are bleeding. Why? Because our brothers and sisters, our youngsters, our future of Goa, our future of India, he has committed suicide. He has given up their life. For what? For what? To have their examination? So that there should not be any leak, and that is what we are all demanding. And we have all seen what is happening in Delhi and how the protest is called out, and what has happened in Delhi. We are all aware of this. was a हुजवार असा आमच्या NGOचे नाव जावन असा हुजवार. And till today we never came out on the street. Till today we never came out on the street to have a protest like this, a peaceful protest like this. We always had street plays and environmental and other issues. Suicide prevention is a major issue. And when we heard that our youth are committing suicide because the failure of the system, we are broken. Therefore, we are grateful that this huge number at Azad Maidan is a proof that we are not happy with what is going on. We are completely not happy. And that is the reason why we are here. And yeah, Uzwaracha army, we have to take a promise of this life. Yeah, Uzwaracha promise घेऊन आम्ही प्रत्येक गोष्ट पुढे सकले. We are going to create awareness and awareness on all the issues, especially when it comes to education. Because education is the entire system on which entire world, entire country of ours is dependent on. Yes. So Somli Vaikarano and the people who are not Goans, who have come here, we are really appreciating your presence over here.